siyang gamitin sa organic farming. So tingnan niyo naman kung gaano kalinis yan.
Hoy! Nandyan ka pala. Nabalitaan ko na gustuhan mo ang stationary type na decorticator ng RM Metalworks. Alam mo ba na bukod dito ay may mas malaking capacity pa na available? Halika at samahan mo ako at ipapakita ko sa'yo. So hello po mga ka-farmers. So nakikita nyo po ngayon sa aking likuran, ito na po ang pinakamalaking decorticator na ino-offer po ng RM Metalworks. So kung makikita nyo, powered po ito ng 35 HP na Kingstone diesel engine. And ito po ay may capacity na 2,000 to 3,000 kilograms po ng mga fresh materials or mga buko. And meron naman po siyang 1,000 to 2,000 kilograms per oras para sa mga dry materials or yun yung mga bunot. So itong decorticator natin is hindi lamang siya para sa mga bunot or mga buko. So kung kayo po ay nag-o-organic farming or nag-o-organic fertilizer, pwede nyo po ditong isalang ang inyong mga waste, bio-waste, para po ma-shred natin at para po mas madali siyang ma-convert into a fertilizer. At ngayon naman po ay tawagin na natin ang ating kasamahan na si Sir JC. So pasok po tayo. So siya po yung tutulong sa atin o magpapakita sa atin kung paano nga ba i-operate ang ating machine. So isang paalala, wag natin kakalimutan na pagsuotin sila ng mga safety gears gaya ng goggles and yung hand gloves para sa kanilang kaligtasan.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who got it. Being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. This and that speaks slow, speaking fast. I'm the most, I get gas, think I'm okay and that's but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious because you are behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible.
Mga ka-farmers,
If you just
nakita niyo
believe,
naman
you could
kung
be
gaano
so
kalakas ang
remarkable.
ating industrial type na coconut husk decorticator. Tara at samahan mo naman akong tingnan ang mga na-produce nating output. So dito tayo ngayon sa coco pit. So gaano kaganda yan. So ito, konting patuyo lamang at pwede na natin siyang gamitin sa organic farming. Pwede na natin siyang panghalo as potting mix, pang hydroponics, at para sa mga plantita natin na mahilig magtanim. Perfect na perfect. At tara naman dito sa likod, kunin natin yung mga coco fiber. So tingnan nyo naman kung gaano kalinis yan. So saan nga ba natin pwedeng gamitin? So pwede natin siyang gawing coco pot, pwede natin siyang gawing pang mulching, pwede natin siyang gawing coco rope, pwede natin siyang gamitin pang linis ng mga dagat kung sakaling may mga oil leakage. So very helpful. So ang mga makinarya po ng RM Metalworks is hindi lamang nakakalinis, nakakatulong sa kapaligiran. So nako-convert din natin ang ating mga basura para mapagkakitaan. Kaya sa mga ka-farmers natin, tutok lamang kayo sa aming Facebook page na RM Metalworks at huwag na huwag kalilimutang mag-like, share and follow para sa mga latest videos ng RM Metalworks.
Kaya huwag ka nang magdalawang isip pa kung gusto mong magsimula ng negosyo at magkaroon ng makinaryang kagaya ng Coconut Husk Decorticator Industrial Type, dito ka na sa RM Metalworks dahil siguradong matibay at garantisadong gawang Pinoy.